हेलो एवरीवन, कंचन मित्तल, योर जूलर फ्रेंड। हम आपको इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए इंस्पायरिंग वुमेन से मिलाते हैं जिनकी जर्नी से हम कुछ न कुछ सीखते आए हैं। नाउ वी हैव इनवाइटेड एडवोकेट रीमा काचरू। सो वेलकम रीमा जी।
थैंक यू कंचन जी। हेलो टू एवरीवन।
तो रीमा जी, बहुत इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है आपकी। आप
Yes, it
एडवोकेट
is.
रहे हैं सुप्रीम
Yes.
कोर्ट के साथ, एंड दैट itself is a field which is male dominant, and we are very inspired by your success in your respective field. So Reema ji, what inspired you to choose law as a career?
See, being the elder child of the family, I've always seen like a lot of, in your surroundings areas, disturbance and everything in the local day to day.
Okay.
So it just inspired me like, why not to know your human rights? As an Indian citizen, what are your basic human rights? And you should learn advocacy for a justice, just to fight
Okay.
for the injustice. So that's why I chose my career as a lawyer.
Oh, that's nice. You are an executive member of Supreme Court Young Lawyers Forum. What
Yes.
responsibilities come along with this?
Kanchanji, it's a very responsible position. One on
Oh,
one interaction we are able to do. We can visit the judges' houses. You can raise so many questions which you cannot do in the open court. Like, right now we had a interaction with Chief Justice of India. It was the felicitation function of the newly appointed Supreme Court judges. So we raised our concern for rising pollution in the city, because pollution, it's rising so much high level in the country.
yes.
So the judges gave their opinions, and of course we shared, and I think they will work on it very soon.
So, among criminal, civil, matrimonial, and service matters, which cases have impacted you most as personally, I would say, as a lawyer?
Criminal.
Criminal?
Yeah, I must say, because I will just share a very brief story on it. Criminal is my specialty. And in
Oh,
criminal cases, the cases of the women. The molestation case that happened just outside your Cross River Mall. That was in 2009. I became my studies, lawyer studies, in 2012 to 15. Okay.
okay.
So I was an intern that time. My senior was looking after this molestation case of a woman. So there, a woman got molested just outside the Cross River Mall. And that woman got hurt also because she was fighting to save herself from the man. He was
Okay.
forcing her to sit in his car, and he wanted to
Oh,
kidnap her. All my studies started looking as an intern in that case. I started appearing in the courts as an intern. And then you won't believe, Kanchanji, after completing my studies, the case was totally handed over to me.
nice.
Till now, the case is alive, and you won't believe, Kanchanji, I alone filed the protest petition. My case got reopened.
Get the justice.
Now, the victim and the accused has come to the level. There has been mutually agreement has been done out of the court that he is feeling sorry for what he has done. He realized his mistake now.
My another question would be, what qualities should every successful lawyer should have?
First of all, the interpretation of skills,
Okay.
then the communication skills, then the presentation of the case, then the merits and the facts of the case. If all these through knowledge you have, then you are a winner and a successful lawyer.
Oh, nice. So, what advice would you give to young girls who want to become lawyers now?
See, first of all, the foremost advice is study thoroughly. It's not
Hmm.
like you are just getting the bookish knowledge. You should know how to do the legal drafting, how to present a case in the court. So go for the practical sessions more and more. Take more internships with the senior lawyers. Learn
Nice.
how to present your case in the court. Because when you are fighting on the merits and on the facts of the case, definitely the judge of the court is going to listen to you.
And if you could change one thing in our legal system, what would be that, Rimaji?
More legal aid camps should be organized so
Okay.
that every woman should know what are their rights. They should know where and how they have to defend themselves.
एक जनरल पब्लिक में, आम पब्लिक में, what advice would you give to women? What can they do to prevent crime?
See, first of all, they should know the basic knowledge of the law. What are the assets in legal part being a woman? Okay, right? Like, you should know there is a consumer rights. If your some appliances is not working in the house, you just bought a new thing, then you have a consumer court.
That's interesting.
Right? So there is a consumer court. You can ask for the claim and compensation or return of the things, because sometimes you go to the shop, the person will say, no, ma'am, this thing is opened. You have opened the seal. I will not exchange. Some people are like this.
Yes.
So that is your basic right. You can say, I will go to the consumer court and file a case against you. The person is going to change the thing in the very that spot when he knows you knows you're right.
नेक्स्ट टाइम हम रीमा जी को बुलाएंगे,
Sure.
खरीदिका डायमंड्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक वर्कशॉप करेगी
Definitely.
और हम सभी के लिए, सभी हाउसवाइफ्स और सभी वर्किंग वुमेन के लिए अपने राइट्स जानने के लिए एक कैंप लगाएंगे.
Very nice. It will be so grateful to you very much.
हम अपने समाज में और अच्छी अवेयरनेस जगा सके, इसके लिए हमें रीमा जी की तरह लॉयर्स चाहिए जो कि हमें इंस्पायर कर सकें. थैंक यू रीमा जी, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग.